Hey everybody, welcome to Janine's gluten-free channel where we are dedicated to bringing you recipes and food that is gluten-free, dairy-free, refined sugar-free, alcohol-free, but full of tasty, yummy goodness. If you haven't been here before, we welcome you. We recommend you subscribe to our station with the button below and hit that one that says bell, and that way you'll get your notifications straight to your inbox whenever we post new recipes. Today we're going to be making a rosemary and walnut paleo bread. Super delicious. And it's very easy to make because it's literally a one bowl mix. So let's get started. We have flax meal, and that's 1 cup of flax meal. We have 1.5 cups of arrowroot. At a pinch you could use tapioca, but tapioca is a little bit different from arrowroot and does have slightly different characteristics, but I prefer arrowroot to keep it paleo. We've got about 4 tablespoons of rosemary. This is actually fresh rosemary which I've dried myself, but you can just use dry rosemary, same thing. And I have 4 teaspoons of gluten-free baking powder. Just putting all the dry mixture in first and going to give that a mix before we put all the wet stuff. I've also got some pepper. I'm just going to crack some pepper in for a little bit of extra taste and give that a bit of a stir through. Okay, let's put in our wet ingredients. We got 4 tablespoons. I have olive oil. Olive oil will taste nicer in this because of the olive flavour. It'll just accentuate the olives. We have 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. 1 cup of sliced green or mixed olives. But you don't want to use Spanish olives, they don't have very much flavour. You want to get something a bit more robust. I have a mixture of Kalamatas, greens and Sicilians. And then finally, we want the eggs, and that's the main binding ingredient is the eggs. We've got 4 whole eggs and 4 egg whites that I've separated. Cool. It was really interesting when we were breaking the eggs into this bowl. I haven't seen a double yolker for a long time, and I literally got 3 in a row. So, not quite sure what that means. And now just give it a good stir through. It will be a little bit difficult to stir through because it's because of the more dense flours and the fact that there's no other liquids but the eggs. So it's a little bit thicker. And once it comes together, you can feel that it starts to get quite aerated. It starts to get a little fluffier. Perfect. Here's a bread loaf pan that I've oiled with vegetable oil, and we're just going to pop that in there. I love this bread because you can make it so quickly, and if you have any impromptu guests and you want to serve something, you know, with some dip or some olive oil and spices, you can do this really quickly. As you can see, we're already mixed. Now we're going to pop it in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes. Okay, so it's been 35 minutes at 180 degrees and it's ready to come out. Smells lovely. There's nothing quite like the smell of olives and rosemary together. Beautiful. And as you can see, it's, you know, it's quite a hard loaf, but super soft inside. Let's see what it looks like. Yum. There you have it. So let me show you what I like to do with this bread. Oh, it's still steamy. Very hot. I like to get a plate, put a couple of slices on there, get some nice quality olive oil, drizzle that on, and then put some za'atar powder, which is a Middle Eastern spice blend of thyme, spices, sumac and salt, and roasted sesame seeds. And it's beautiful. Yummy. And there you have it. This bread is delicious. It's crusty on the outside, super moist on the inside. Divine flavour. It's kind of nutty, and the olives and the oil give it such depth. And there's a little bit of zing from the lemon juice. All in all, it makes a fantastic brunch or snack meal. Oh my God, I can't stop eating this. I've got to put it down. It's so good. I highly recommend you try this bread out. It is sensational, and it's so easy. My goodness, there's no proving, there's no waiting overnight or anything. It's just so instant. You guys are gonna love it. Hey, I hope you really enjoyed today's recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to give us any comments, feedback, and let us know what you want to see next. Hope you guys have a great day. Take care, see you later. Beautiful. Try that again. Try that again. Hey everyone! Recommend that you also hit the button that says, what does it say? Station manager. The bell. Hey everyone, welcome to Janine's